Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about set operations. In our last classes, we clearly discussed about Venn diagrams and set basics. Please watch the classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so the first set operation is union operation. So let's understand, with the example you are going to understand it better. So let's understand the definition first. The union of two sets is defined as, if you take two sets, the union of two sets is defined as the set of all the elements that belongs to, that are members of set A, set B or both. Means you take any element, it should belongs to A or B or both. Those elements we consider it as set A union B. Means all the elements that present in A and B. That is what the meaning of union means. Let's take an example. This is how we write it in the another form. A union B is given as X. X is an element. X belongs to A. It should belongs to A or it has to belongs to B. It can belongs to both also. Any one, anything happen. Let's take an example. A is equal to 1, 2, 5, A, B. These are the elements that present in A. B is equal to A, B, C, D, E. A union B means the element that belongs to A or B or both. So A union B is given as 1, 2, 5, A, B, C, D, E. All the elements of A and B. We call it as A union B. But one important point you need to understand here. Here we are having AB two times, but you have to mention only one time in the set. Duplicate elements should not be mentioned in the set. So 1, 2, 5, A, B, C, D, E. Let's look at it in the Venn diagram form. Let's take A, B. What are the common elements that present in A and B? A, small b is the common element. So small a, small b is the common area where we have mentioned the common elements. 1, 2, 5 are the extra elements that present in A. C, D, E are the elements that present in B. This is how we mention the Venn diagram form. So this is A, this is B. What is A union B? A union B is whatever the dashed line area, that we call it as A union B, means the entire area that belongs to A and B. We call it as A union B, all the elements. This is how we mention it in Venn diagram form. Now coming to the next operation, set intersection. Intersection of two sets. If you take two sets and if you want to write the intersection of two sets, A and B is the set consisting of all the elements that belongs to both A and B. Means common elements we have to write. Means if you pick any element, it should belongs to A and it should belongs to B. That is what meaning of A and B. We have to write like that. X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Then we take it as intersection element. If you want to show it in Venn diagram form, A, 1, 2, 5, A, B, A, B, C, D. What is the common element? A. If you pick any element from this from the set, it should belongs to A and it should belongs to B. That is what we call it as A intersection B. So in Venn diagram form, this is how we represent 1, 2, 5. A belongs to both the sets. That's why common area. B, C, D belongs to set B. So what is A intersection B? This is the common area which belongs to both A and B. That we call it as A intersection B. So what are the elements that present in this common area? A. So A intersection B equal to set A. This is how we write the intersection. Now coming to the difference of two sets. The difference of two sets A and B is the set of elements that belongs to A. So if you take any two sets A and B, the difference of A, B is given as the set of elements that belongs to A. Means the element that belongs to A but not belongs to B. It should not belongs to B. So it is given as, difference is given as A minus B. With example we are going to understand it better. Let's take A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 7. B is equal to 5, 7, 8, 9. in Venn diagram representation, how we are going to show it? This is A and this is B. 1, 2, 5, 7 is the common element. 8, 9 belongs to B. You take any element, it should belongs to A and it should not belongs to B. So 1, 2 belongs to A. 5, 7 belongs to B also. It should not belongs to B. Means what are the elements you have to eliminate from A? From A, you have to eliminate the common elements. Means you have to eliminate 5, 7. That is what A minus B is. So A minus B is 1, 2. It should be mentioned, the dashed area. This is the area which belongs to A minus B. So coming to this, A minus B is equal to set of elements that contains 1, 2. These are the set operations which we are going to use. Hope you understand these set operations. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.